is up, YouTube? Are you looking for a way to make money online that isn't the usual make money online methods, with selling courses or doing affiliate marketing or all kinds of other stuff that's like kind of circular? If so, I got something really, really interesting to tell you about in my review of Cutouts Empire. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well as some of the speeches at the Democratic Convention last week. Let's face it, it was kind of boring. I mean, God bless him. Joe Biden should live and be well, but it was kind of a boring convention. But anyhow, sorry, I try not to do politics, but I like to joke about these things. But anyhow, seriously, if you are if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Really, Bart? Every single day you gotta say that? Do you know how annoying that guy is? All the time. Can't seem to stop. Constantly yakety, 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 yakety. Oh my God. You'd think he would give it a rest. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She says the same thing every day also. You think I'll get bored, but can't get tired of it. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for the Cutouts Empire.
Lord Vader.
No, not that empire. Go back to the Death Star or whatever it is that you guys do. Sorry, I'm more of a Star Trek fan than a Star Wars fan, but anyhow, but for some reason, my friend Alessandro likes to use the word empire every time he makes a launch. But what I love about this is that it's very different than what you usually see. This is a product, a course basically from my friend Alessandro. And basically what this course does is it's going to give you a method of creating what are called cutouts. These are basically like simple things that people buy on Etsy. It's kind of like a template that people will buy on Etsy, and then they use it for like their kids and whatever else. And people make a lot of money doing this kind of stuff. Really, really good stuff. And it's very, very easy to do. It takes about 10 minutes of work, and you can make a lot of money doing this. And the nice thing is, it's not like your typical make money online thing. Look, I get it. I do a million videos involving traffic and this and that and everything else. And there's actually a course, a piece of software that came out which is really interesting for traffic, and that's great. But it's like, it's nice to do something a little bit different for a change, and this is very, very different.
How is it different?
Well, because it is. It is different. Anyhow, but seriously, so basically what you're going to learn is how to create all these kind of PDFs that people will actually physically cut out. And then they kind of use it for their kids to play with, or to create what's called a decoupage, which basically means that they go and make kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. I've seen there's this show called Flea Market Flip that I've become quite fond of, and I've seen it a couple times on there where people do what's called a decoupage, where they'll take like various cutouts and paste it on. It's supposed to be some sort of style. I don't particularly like it, but apparently it's a thing. People make a lot of money doing it. It sells quite well. So yeah, definitely could make some money from this. Now I do have a nice little bonus for you. First of all, when you pick it up, you're going to get my graphic supremacy. That's just a given. But if you already have graphic supremacy, what I'm going to be giving you is basically you're going to get another package of additional ebook covers that you can go ahead and customize. When you pick this up, it's going to be included for free when you grab this thing. If you already have all of my ebook covers, then basically what you can do is you can contact me and let me know, and you'll get a different bonus. So, for example, you might get a year of Conversion Champ, or you can get one of my many other products available as an additional bonus. So, definitely some nice stuff. And I'm also going to throw in my 30-day, 29-day Bill on Day inspirational quote package with the so that you can go ahead and use those as you see fit as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area over here. Okay, you can see here. Basically, he's going to show you how to sell these things on Etsy, the kind of stuff that people are making, and they're really simple. You can basically just even use like PLR content or public domain content in order to create these things, and people buy them all day long. They print them out on cardstock, they cut them out, and they use them for various decorations around the home, and it's a thing, And basically, it's going to teach you everything you need to know in order to make this kind of method work. It's really, really cool stuff. Makes quite a nice amount of money for you, and so definitely very, very interesting. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Of the traditional make money online things, where it's like, okay, another software for driving traffic, another method, another this, another that, and some of them are good. Don't get me wrong, but it's like this is something different, something real that you can actually make real stuff that people want to buy, and they'll buy it again and again and again. So you're kind of like not burning out your customers. The traffic is there for you already. So really, really nice stuff. Go ahead and grab this one. You're going to love it.